This is the publisher page. It's open on blank blank page. So we're gonna learn today, inshallah, how to do business card, how to design a business card. Now, most of you are gonna be having a business, inshallah, in the future. So we're gonna have to learn how to design a business card for yourself. What is included in the business card? Your name, logo of the company, address,
Okay.
email, telephone number, and so on. Okay? So, for example, I'm gonna design like a very small one. You can go and say, okay, I'm gonna go and do a new business cards. Right, file. So what you can do is file, you say new, and then you go and say, I'm gonna choose not the blank one, I'm gonna choose a business card. So I'm gonna write here, business, you can write here, business card, then hit search, and you can find the business card right here now. So you can get the business card. This is kind of business card that I want, just one type. Okay, and this is a business card. This is business card. This is a lot of business card design. Is that? So I'm gonna choose, for example, this one here. Okay, business card design, and I'm gonna say, okay, create that. It will come up right here now. Okay, it come up as a full screen. You can update this one. For example, you can update it by putting here, for example, the address. You can say, for example, Al Murtafa, Murtafa, for example, and you can put here every, okay, and near the bridge, for example. Okay, you can make this one capital and put here your company name. So take a shortcut, UTAS, which is Universal Technology and Applied Science. You can put your name here. Which one should I put? What's the name should I put? I'm gonna put my name, for example, on there, like that, and you put your title here, for example, doctor. Okay, you can now put the phone number here. Say, for example, I don't have phone number, so just put anything, for example, like that, and you can put 123 099, for example. And I'm gonna keep the fax the same. You can put the email here. That, and can put it like this and say every edu Oman. Okay, you can extend this one a little bit to make it larger. And you can put your website, www.everycity.edu.om, for example, like that. Okay, I can change the logo. This is a picture. I can go to the page design here, right here, and I can say, let's say, for the picture, I can remove this picture and put a new picture. So I can search for logo on the online. Maybe I will find one right here. So I'm gonna write here, for example, let's say University of Science, University of Technology and Applied Science, for example. Okay, you can hit search. I'm very sure that you will find like a logo or code HCT every Okay, let's say this one, for example, and say insert. I can put it right here. Okay, and I'm gonna remove this one and put it here, for example. Okay, so this is how you design your card. Okay, you can add other things to it. You can remove this picture, I don't want that. You can add your picture here if you want. For example, you can put the logo here, for example, like that. Okay, and add your picture, like insert my picture, for example. Let's say my picture, for example. I can insert my picture and I just make it smaller and I can put it right here. Okay, so I can make it like that. So you can design your own business card. This is how I design a business card. Okay, I can add the college logo. I mean, from if I have it, I'm sure I have it somewhere right here, for example. No, I don't have the new logo. I can copy it from the internet, so I can open internet here. Go to Google if you want. Okay, Google. You can search for University of Technology and Applied Science if you want. Okay, and say that. You can go to picture image only. Okay, and you can put here every if you want, like that. Then you'll get it. Okay, you'll get it in all the colleges. So I can copy this one here. This is what I want. Okay, this one here, I can copy it. I can copy the image. Try to come back to this one here and try to do, okay, paste my picture right here. And I'm gonna just make it smaller so it's gonna fit somewhere. Again, make it more smaller. Okay, and now it is a little bit much better. So I can put it right here if you want and remove this one here. I can put it like that. Now it's become much more interesting, is it? Okay, you can go for another template. So file, new. Before that, if I want to save this one, I can say file, save as, for example, you can say browse. Then you can save it instead of publisher, you can save it as a PDF. You can save it as an image if you want. Okay, you can save it in any format you want. So if I want to save it as a PDF, I can say save as a PDF, and I'm going to save it right here. So, and you can see it will become now as a PDF. Look at that, the PDF now, how it comes like. Do you see now how the PDF comes like? How many copies that we have? So when you printed it, you print number of copies, and you can cut these copies, and you can have number of how many one on the same page, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cards or 12 cards on the same page if you want. If you want to save it as a PDF. Okay, so when you design it here, you design only the one page, but when you try to print it or save it, it will be printed as multiple copy. So then you can can print it and cut it in the middle here to be your business card. Okay. Also use other template if you want. You can say file if you want. Okay, just say file, and I'm gonna say new, for example. I'm gonna write here business card, for example. Okay, and you can get like other template. So If I want to use this template, I can use it. If I want to use this template, for example, it looks like this, okay, then you can use it. All right. If I want to use this template, this is kind of a simple template. Okay, you can use it. You can use also this one here. Looks much better, smarter, professional, and so on. You can change the colors if you want. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can just go on page design, and you can do whatever, choose from the colors right here. So you can choose any colors that suit you, that make it looks better or interesting card. It's up to your eye. How do you want it to look like? You can add shapes. You can add anything that you want into there. So you can start by designing the exact shape. If you want to delete everything inside it, you can delete it, and you can even start from the beginning. This is just a line. This is just a circuit. I can delete it. I can delete this. I can delete that one. I can delete this name here. Okay, I can delete everything from here. I can delete everything. Okay, so this one can be deleted. This one can be deleted. See, it's become empty now. Okay, I can just go and change the background from the beginning, or any new background if you want. You can put like a shape. You can design your own things. So you can say, okay, insert a shape. I'm gonna insert like something like that. So I'm gonna put like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy it, for example, okay, and paste it, and then I will put it the opposite side. Okay, so I can make it like that, something like that. Okay, and then you can put something other things in the middle, so you can have like that in the middle, like this. Okay, you can have it like that. It's up to your design. Then you can add a text box for your name. So you can add here your name in very big name like that. You can say Dr. Rana, and you can put it in the middle. Okay, you can increase the font if you want, make it bigger. You can change the font to be much more interesting font like that, for example. Okay, this is one in the middle, and you can add other text box. Put here insert, and you can insert like a text box again, and put here. Okay, you can add something here. You can say University of Technology and Applied Science, and you can make it a little bit bigger. If you want, you can reduce the size, so you can just make it smaller, put it in the middle. Okay, and fix the language. You can put here every, you can put here email department IT, for example. Okay, you can put here, you can make this one larger a little bit. You can put mobile, put the mobile number like that. You can put email, that, and you can put like this, something like that, for example. You can use any other information packs or anything, okay? You can make them smaller if you want. little bit smaller, like that. Okay, and you can add some pictures here. Okay, you can put this one a little bit here. You can add your picture, so you can say insert my picture, and I'm gonna choose my picture, for example, like that. And then after that, I can make it smaller. I can put it right here. You can play with the picture property. Let's go to the picture property, and you can lay out, make it the back, so I can control it more. I can extend it like that without affecting the text even. Okay. I can another picture on the other side, paste, and I can flip it. Okay, I can go and like a flip, like that, for example, horizontal, like that. And so it looks like they're facing each other. I can make them smaller a little bit, and I can send it to the back. Okay, and to background. Okay, I can format the picture and just send it to the back. Okay, and make it like that. I can also put this one smaller side like that. You can do whatever you want in your design to make it looks better. You can even color this one, like make it format auto shape. You can fill the color with some other colors like this, and you can fill this color as well with another same color or different color. You can add the college logo, which is this one. I'm gonna copy that image and come back to the publisher here, and I can just paste it right here, smaller a little bit, and more smaller. I can put the logo right here, for example. So you can design. The main point is that you can design. You can play with the design as you want. Okay. If you want to design the template, you can go change template, and you can choose any template from here. Okay. So for example, I can work on any template for the cards. You can choose this template or this template, any template that you like. Okay. Then you can do it uh, by yourself. You can change the colors even. I'll just choose this one, for example, like this, so I can apply it. You can, use other template if it's not installed. You can go, okay, apply this on this current application, and you can see what happened now. Changed. I can bring the picture now and put it right here. Okay. So you can change a lot. You can change a lot. Okay, you can change everything that you want. So I brought the name of the company here, and I can put the data right here. Okay, they are all here. You can drag them, put them right here. This is how you can apply a template on your. You can, if you want to change it again, you can go and choose another design. It's up to you. There's a lot of design that you can put in your things like that one, and you can change. You can do the writing from the beginning. So when you do try to apply any template, try to do it from the beginning before you start writing. Okay, guys, all the best. Okay, now this is for the business card. Okay, you can search for, you can, as I said, you can insert an image from a picture or online or shapes, or even you can insert anything that you want. Business information, word art, or anything that you can insert. Okay, this is how you design what? How you design a business card.